Hello guys, this is Sean, and I am joined here by Smart.
What's good, guys? How y'all doing?
Today we're going to be looking at, well, welcome to Dive. In this episode, we're going to be looking at Q4OS. Now, Q4OS has the default desktop environment as Trinity, so I thought it would be a fun idea to take a look at Q4OS.
And before we begin, like, just so you guys know, I'm gonna be the one that's like blind experiencing this for the first time. I've never heard of this OS. I have actually never even heard of the Trinity desktop environment, if we're being honest. Uh, and yeah, and just so you guys know, like, what my background is in terms of tech, I dual boot Windows and Linux on some machines. Um, I'm currently running Debian Linux, but I've tried a variety of different Linux distros before, and I intend to try BSD one day. Yeah, so this is going to be really fun because I don't have much experience with um, like non-mainstream Linux distros. I only really have experience with like the Debian family of distros, Fedora and its family of distros, a little bit of Arch, but not really, and that's about it. So this is gonna be really, really interesting. Um, so before we begin, Sean, give
Yeah,
me a little bit of background about this. Is it like an independent distro, or is it based off something, or?
um, well, I'm going to give you a little spoiler before we continue. It's based on Debian.
Okay,
Alright,
it is based on Debian. Okay. And
so,
when was the latest version released?
oh, I don't know. Um,
Is
I'm
it
guessing
still in
since it
active
says
development?
probably around somewhere around Debian 12's after Debian 12's release.
Okay. Is it still in active development or?
Yes, it is still in active development.
Okay, so it's something new, and we're not going retro today, I guess.
Um,
Sound good?
well, funny you say that. But I'm gonna leave that up. I'm gonna surprise you a little bit.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Well, set it up. Let's see what happens.
And I'm running this in QEMU, by the way.
Yeah. Oh, are you gonna like set up like a team viewer instance or something so that I can like control the VM as well?
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot that OBS doesn't screen share.
Yeah, so what's gonna happen, guys, I'm pretty sure, is like Sean is gonna set up the VM using whatever his VM software is, QEMU, I think it is, right? He just said that, yeah. Um,
Everything's set up. I just have to screen share.
yeah, are you gonna like set up a team viewer instance though, so I can control it myself as well? Or
Just tell me anything you want to do, and I'll go from there.
okay. Okay, the screen share is of poor quality, but sure. Uh, oh, okay, there we go. It's a little bit better.
This is Q4OS,
Uh,
and this is Trinity.
Oh, that screen share is a pretty bad quality, actually.
So you don't see the Retina display retro KDE experience. Then let me fix that.
Guys, give Sean with a micro subscription, guys. That would be very helpful for the video.
And here we go. What do you see, Smart?
Let me take a look. 720p 30. Perfect. Okay, now it's good. This gives off like classic KDE vibes, which I don't really know about because I haven't experienced classic KDE, but um, I do know a little bit about it, and it does seem to give off those kind of vibes. Um, It gives off like Windows XP vibes with the blue window border and stuff. It's like
Yeah, it
Windows
does.
XP, like the Luna theme. Uh, The transparent taskbar kind of gives off like Windows 7 vibes. Let's read what they have to say. Welcome to Q4OS, fast and powerful desktop operating system focused on long-term stability, reliability, and classic style user interface. Q4OS is installed as a very basic and clean desktop environment with a minimal software kit. Now it's the right time to adjust your new desktop. You might want to make use of some of the tweaking shortcuts below.
And
And we got it.
keep in mind you can always
What?
disable this by clicking this dialog. Otherwise, it's going to show up
Right,
every time.
yeah. And you get the desktop profiler. Okay, you can install some apps, some proprietary codecs, um, screen scaling, auto login, and we can. Ooh, okay, that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna run the desktop profiler first and see what that's about.
Okay.
And okay, so you get to see what you want. Okay, you can choose.
Yep.
Um,
Now for this episode, I thought I would keep it full on Trinity desktop themed. So that means no
Yeah,
GDK
that's probably
applications.
what we're gonna do, but that's probably what we're gonna do. So you can close out of there, but that's pretty cool.
But you can always change it. It's
Yeah, but I think for the purpose of this video, it might be good to have it that way.
have it what?
Have it like the way it is. I think that's fine
All right.
for this video. And then uh we can switch the start menu. That's pretty interesting. Okay.
Yep.
Bourbon, kickoff, or classic. Okay. So we haven't even opened up the start menu yet, so maybe we take a look at that first.
Yeah. Sure. This is
Ooh, yep. Literally Windows XP in a nutshell. Yep. Okay.
yep.
That is literally the Windows XP start menu in a nutshell. Even the turn off icon. The turn off icon is literally the same one from Windows XP, basically. Um, okay. So let's switch it to kickoff. Let's see what
Yeah.
that's
Let's try that.
about.
This is the kickoff style, which is more of the
Slightly,
KDE 4 themed style, and actually kind of 5 as well.
it's not too bad actually. It's basically like it's basically Windows 7, but you have like shortcuts, like those big shortcuts at the bottom. You don't have the big shortcuts at the bottom. You have like some on the side in Windows 7 that kind of gives off that sort of thing.
Mm-hmm.
This looks pretty amazing actually. I do like this. And we got classic. Let's see what that's about. Which is just okay, that's basically what it is in Mate at the moment.
It's also the
Um
also like Windows 9X type style.
yeah, yeah, Windows 9X was like that too. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Windows 9X had like it said Windows 95 or 98 on the side though, but
Oh yeah, that's right.
um, otherwise it looks basically the same. You're right. Okay, we can actually install some proprietary codecs, which we're not gonna do because we don't have to, but Fedora could low-key take some notes on that regard.
Oh yes.
um, that is the worst part about Fedora, but uh, ooh, hardware info is probably not going to give us much, but let's see what you gave this VM anyway, out of curiosity.
I never
The
looked at
hardware.
desktop effects before.
This option is to turn smoothing and beautifying desktop effects on. They work flawlessly on modern hardware only, and sure, let's turn it on. I don't know what you gave this VM, so I don't, but
Now, I have never done this in QEMU so far, so this is gonna be fun. All right.
how many, can you go to the more options and click the hardware info real quick? I just want to see what you gave this VM.
Sure.
Okay, what do you got? That's a good processor. That's processor's chill. Oh, you only gave it 2 gigs. Okay. Yeah, I would shut the VM down and give it like 8 GB. Um, because I don't think 2 gigs is gonna be under 2 gigs actually. I don't think that's gonna be uh good for um the desktop effects. So I would probably shut that down instead of logging out, like it said, and give it
Yeah,
some.
let's.
Uh, so Trinity is basically just classic KDE, which is basically just like Windows XP. So, oh, okay, I see it. The Windows seem to have better effects now, it looks like.
Yep.
So as opposed to like the old Windows like 9X kind of XP style where you can't see the window when you're moving it, you can now. So that's a little more modern. Okay. Do we get any minimizing animations and stuff now? Because I don't think we had those earlier.
Yeah, you
Oh,
do.
we do. Ooh, nice and fancy.
Oh crap, there's no. Okay, here we go.
Do we
Alright,
not have any? Yeah.
since we're here, let's talk about Conqueror. Now, you're gonna have big issues if you try and use um this web browser to do anything modern.
Oh, what's it based on? I'm pretty sure it's based on like.
Yeah, I'll check cookies.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, that's super duper old. Okay.
Yeah, as you can
You
see,
can even tell it's old without even checking the help and about menu, because when you went to Google, right?
yeah,
You notice that the search bar is the like the square search bar that you get. That's like the super old
mm-hmm,
style search bar, and like if you look at the top, like the shortcuts and stuff, instead of having the like your profile icon and the rounded buttons and like the waffle menu and stuff like that, you just get these hyperlinks. So that's how you know it's like really bad. Okay.
now now Trinity is actually a fork of KDE 3.5.
Yeah.
So I guess they stopped working on it in 2010. That's when Trinity picked it up. Um,
I'm
now
pretty
it
sure
says,
Conqueror still exists.
yeah,
Conqueror does come with KDE by default. Most distros choose to bundle Firefox instead, of course, but I have used some distros where Conqueror is still bundled, and it is a much newer version than this. So I'm pretty sure Conqueror is still in active development. I just don't think Trinity, for whatever reason, is deciding to use Conquer
there's also
a newer
Falcon
version.
for the Qt web browser that's based on. I think it's based on Chromium, the WebKit.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, as you can see, it is
So
K. There are KDE developers here.
yeah. So yeah, I would probably install like a newer web browser. Um, on that note, what version of Debian is this based off of anyway?
Oh yeah, as you can see here, you know it's old because it's using the old public license from 1991
That's funny.
rather than the GNU public license version 3. I think they're compatible.
What version of Debian are we on?
Let's see. Uh 6.1.
Oh, whoa. Oh, wow, that's so old. Oh, man.
No, no,
That's what the
wait a minute.
surprise.
That's just the kernel. I'll be concerned if it was.
You, bro, you literally just said it says though, Debian 6.1.
Although it says
Oh,
Debian
yep.
12
Okay, never
here.
mind. Debian 12. All right. I was gonna say, dude. I was honestly gonna say. So it's a semi-modern base.
Yeah.
Debian 12 still pretty new. Although Debian 13 Trixie is out now, I would recommend using that instead. But this isn't too bad. Of course you can use all your Debian programs with it. I'm guessing because it's well a Debian-based OS, right? Why
Yep.
wouldn't you be able to? And I'm of course, I'm guessing you can. Of course, you could probably do like Flatpaks and Snap if you install them. Of course, you can. You should be able to. Uh,
Okay, so
is there like a formal settings application on here or anything like that, or?
yeah, there is. Although by the way, if you were let's try to go to a modern website like a clevo.com.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. Well, I don't even know if it's working today. Because I don't know if you've heard about Amazon Web Services being down.
I have not.
So I do not even know. Oh yeah, you can still get to Eclebo.com. Yeah,
Okay.
you just not from there. Try going to like oh yeah, the old
EagleNet.
net will work. Of course the old net's gonna work. Yeah.
And this is the old net. Um, it's a website for older web browsers, like
Yeah, you
like old
you can go
Conqueror.
to some things and stuff like that. Um,
And of course, 68k.news will work. Oh,
this
and
probably isn't gonna work.
don't forget frogfind.com. That's a pretty good one.
Go with that. Yeah. .com.
I wonder if the Eclevo website will work on frogfind.
Probably not. Oh no, there it is.
Nice.
Not too bad actually, but um, it's missing. What's it missing? Honestly, it's got all the text down. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's got
I
all the
think the only
text, but it's like the graphics went bye.
so they're like if you look at the bottom of the footer on the modern website, y'all can check that out. You have the Clevo icon. This is like the feature within and stuff. That does not exist apparently. Okay, and yeah, no logo on the top left either. Can you scroll all the way down real quick?
This is the furthest
All
it
the
will
way.
go now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's like hyperlinks at the far bottom, but apparently Sean can't get to the far bottom on this, so that's really funny. That probably has to do with that red text right there. Article is missing content type or content length header. Um,
And don't forget, there's no nav bar either.
there's no top bar either, so you can't like. There are some other things up at the top too. The blog, the about, and the platform. Oh, well, okay. Other thing, by the way,
Hmm.
just like uh off topic, when you try to go to the I don't know, everything's good. I don't know what that never mind.
Oh man, I thought
Yeah,
we were gonna have to install Chromium on the on the Trinity on the
there is
Trinity
something
VM.
funny I really want to try now. So Libid, I kind of want to try Libid Weta app. So hop on to go to Google and type in parabolic.
Parabolic.
Or maybe you can find it on FrogFind. You can probably get it on FrogFind. Actually, you probably need to use it on FrogFind. Do parabolic flat hub. Or I could just send you the command to go get it. Yeah, it's the second one. The first one will work too, but that's a GitHub page. I don't think you want that. That too, attempting to install a Libid Weta app. You're gonna have to install Flatpak first, so go to the terminal and do that.
Oh,
Um,
actually, oh, here it goes. Here it goes.
Okay, well, I just sent you the command because I don't think that's gonna show up at all. Yeah, that's not gonna show up at all.
But hey, we got it to work on Frog Find. We got the text to show up.
Yeah, that's as far as that's gonna go.
But anyway, smart. I downloaded a bunch of retro applications that we can look at if you want to do that.
I just came back, so.
Oh, okay.
Uh, um, uh, did you install Flatpak yet?
Not yet. Um,
Okay. Hop into console. It was right there. Or it's right there too, apparently. And
actually,
then
yeah, let's try that. We don't have Flatpak
I
right
don't think
now.
you have Flatpak yet. Yeah, you don't. Um,
Let's see how Flatpak works on Q4OS.
well, I just want to see how a libit wide app works, but
All right.
and then I sent you a command.
So flathub org.nic. How much space is this gonna
Oh,
take?
it's a pretty small program, but so it should be okay.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I have room because let's see. All right, we have 5 GB of space.
Remember, kids, don't install this shit with 5 GB left if you actually want to use it. Absolutely mind-boggling to me.
Hmm. I did actually have Mate installed on this VM, but I decided to get rid of it so that way I could save some space for this video.
Does QEMU not support dynamically allocated disks?
I think it does, but like I could change the size of the disk. I would have to go into the terminal to do so.
No, like what I mean is like when you try to make a VM in VirtualBox, it asks if you want to use a dynamically allocated disk where it, let's say like I allocate 100 GB. It only uses the actual amount on my hard drive as it's used. So if I
Oh,
allocate 100 GB, like it'll remember that it has 100 to use, but it only uses like space on my physical hard drive as it fills up. So if I allocate 100 GB and the VM uses 5, only 5 is going to be taken up.
um, QEMU support. I believe it does support this as well. It's just that I purposely set it to only 20 GB because I thought it was only
Okay,
going to take as much space as like Windows XP or something or Windows 9X.
that did not work. Okay, let's run it. Oh,
Wow, it works.
a libid wide. Yeah, I mean, of course it works because it's just Debian 12, but a libid wide app looks so out of place on um. A libid wide low-key looks so out of place on this thing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. And plus, look at this. I I
Yeah.
I think Trinity is literally crying because we're using a modern window, a libway app inside its retro um retro desktop environment.
Yeah. No, I want to try something really stupid. Um, can you like shut the VM down again and like up the storage a little bit?
Um, that'll take a bit of time. I was thinking we could look at some stuff instead. I wanted to look at
All right,
some.
yeah, let's look at some stuff. Let's look at some stuff. You don't have to do that. I wanted to try something. What? You have AOL Instant? Nah,
Oh yeah, that's right.
that's
You
great.
were away for a minute. But I actually uninstalled Wine, so AOL Instant Messenger wouldn't work.
That's crazy. You have aim.
I thought it would be a good idea because it's like a retro desktop type of stuff.
That actually come with it?
No, it does not.
Aww.
It would be cool if it did.
Okay, what do we got in games? Let's see what we got in games.
There's so many games
Okay,
on
let's see
here.
what we got in arcade games. K Asteroids, K Bounce, K Foul Eggs, K Gold Runner, K Surtat, K Smile Twist, Snake Race, Space Duel, K Tron, Cove. Board games, let's see what we got in there. Atlantic Designer, K Bakamon, K Mahjong, K Reverse. Can you believe it? Reversey! Only for $99. If you know, you know. Um, Kano Lava, Shizen Show Mahjong like tile game,
I
TD15, Twin 4.
I mean, who knew that you could get Reversi for free if you just use Linux?
No, but the reference was that in the Windows 1.0 advertisement, Steve Ballmer said like comes up on stage and yells, "Can you believe it? Reversi for free with Windows 1.0, only $99." And let's see what we got in the card games.
Your usual
Oh
stuff.
no. Oh no, we got poker in here. We are not endorsing gambling, kids. Please don't. Games for kids. Let's see what we got.
Oh yeah, there's also Scat and Patience card game.
Yeah. Simon Says, Hangman, Letter Order Game, and Potato Guy. That's funny.
Yes. Hangman, a game for kids.
Logic. Let's see what the Logic games are about. K Atomic, Sokoban Logic Game, Black Box, Minesweeper, and Netwalk. Network Construction, huh? I want to try that one out. Let's try that one out.
Okay.
K Netwalk. Oh, that's what that's like. Okay, I see. It's just a connection and stuff. How does this work? That interesting. Ooh, okay, so you got one computer turned on now. Alright, that's pretty chill.
Yep.
Can we
Um,
connect that one to the net? Okay, maybe. Hmm.
I don't think. Oh, you can change it this way as well. Okay.
Well, that's so cool.
Uh,
Okay. Oh no, but now you fucked with up the other one. Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay.
let's see. uh,
Can you get to a? Are you gonna? Let's see if you can do this without getting to 100 clicks. Although that's not happening, is it?
nope.
No,
I'm too
there's click
stupid for that.
100. Aren't we all, Sean? Aren't we all?
Yep. Oh, here we go. Score 117. And of course, I played
I
the
don't
novice
know
level
where
as
the
well.
manager in this case or what.
Hey! I beat your record under 400 clicks.
I didn't say under 400. I said under 100.
Oof.
That's funny, but
All right, let's see what
um,
other games this piece of crap has.
uh, Ooh, Tactics Stretch, Battleship, Jumping Cube, Sokoban, Kickity, or Clickety, I don't know if I can't tell, but Color Lines, Conquest, same game. Okay. Take a look at the graphic stuff that they got going on. Chalk, Digicam, K Color Chooser, K Color Edit, KDVI, KFax, KFaxView, KPOV Modular, K Ruler, K Snapshot, K Ruler. That's interesting. Let's take a look at that.
K ruler.
Yeah, it's down there. Yeah.
Uh,
What is the point of this?
well, let's see how big this terminal is. If I can, um,
I don't think you could resize the ruler. Oh, you can. Okay.
yeah, you can.
Okay.
Apparently, this terminal is around 90 inches. Around no,
It's a
around
big
maybe like
terminal.
82, maybe.
I know some people of the female type that would be very happy about that.
Bruh.
Um, anyway, uh, back to the start menu. We got a K snapshot, OK K view, carbon 14, KBO, color paint, Kuka, quick show, and TDE icon edit. All right, let's take a look at the internet.
And keep in mind, some of these are alternatives to like GIMP and stuff.
Yeah, aggregator, KGET, Kmail, Knews Ticker, Knote, K triple P, dial up. Oh, wow, that's pretty old. Let's open that up and see what happens. But uh, okay, we don't even have a modem, so I don't know how you would go about doing any of that sort of stuff.
Let's see. What is this anyway? It's a dialer
There's a
and front end
dialer in
for
front end for triple
PPPD.
PD, and it's okay. Interesting. All right. Let's close out of that then, and just see what else we got in that category. Because there's still some pretty cool stuff it looked like. Um, KSIRC, KTNEF, KTorrent, K Wi-Fi Manager, Conqueror, which we already saw, Conversation, another IRC client.
Yep.
Interesting.
Now conversation is also in the modern KDE.
Yeah, so they have KSIRC, which is one IRC client, and then they also have a Conversation here, which is another IRC client.
Yep.
Interesting. Okay. We got a Copet, Corn. Oh no, that sounds really bad. Corn, KRDC, and KRFP. Uh, Multimedia. Let's take a look at that. Amarok, Coden, Juke, K3B, K Audio Creator, KM Player, K Player. Ooh, two media players. That's interesting.
One of them uses
Uh,
M player, and the other one I think just is just a media player.
got you. KREC, Caboodle. KSCD, Noetin, and TDE Okay, TD mid, I guess. And then let's take a look at Office, see what we get. Do we
Yes, I
get
installed
Libre?
Trinity Office on here, by the way.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Okay. Uh, that's pretty cool. Settings. Settings.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, that's not very, like, important, but system. System. Oh, nice. Super user, device monitor, Dolphin, HTOP, Kcron, KDCOP, DCOP browser, interesting.
Mm-hmm.
KDAT, K disk free, K mix, K package, K shutdown, K sysguard, K sysv, K user, K Wi-Fi manager, console crusader. Okay, quick disk. I mean Monte Terminal. Monte Terminal. So we got the Monte Terminal as well, as opposed to just the
Yeah, I thought I
con.
uninstalled that, but I guess it's still in here.
Does that come by default, or
I don't know if it does or not. I think it might on the default
did you
Q4OS.
install it, or
I don't remember installing it.
Q4OS Software Center, Q4OS Welcome Screen, Synaptic? Okay, cool. Let's take a look at their Software Center. I want to see what that's about. India, I guess it has the British esque spelling of the global spelling of center, which is fine. I guess that's valid. That's a valid contention. Okay. Um. So this doesn't really look much like a software center, and well, I guess it does. Okay. Yeah. It looks more like a package manager, honestly.
Yeah, it does. Wow, you can install Opera via Flatpak on this thing.
Let's download. Should we download? We should download like Firefox or Chrome, whichever one you want.
Hmm.
Chromium if you want. I don't really care, but I would go for Firefox, but I don't
All
really
right.
care. If we even have it in space. What? That's the Windows install wizard.
I know, right? They copied they copied the install wizard stuff.
That's so funny. It's literally the Windows install wizard. Is this running through Wine or something? Is that why or what?
I I think it's that they want to really copy Windows XP or something on this thing.
Bro, no, that's still the modern Windows installer. They still use that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Wow, they check the archive, the current user rights, architecture, environment, operating system version, distro.
It's a really old version of Firefox, it looks like, though.
Well, let's
Because you
install it
can
and
tell
see.
the icon, you can tell, because that icon hasn't been used since, like, I don't know, not in a while.
I wonder if it'll give us a maybe or maybe it'll give us an old theme. Let's see.
I don't know, but it's still the modern Firefox icon that just appeared on the desktop.
Oh no, we got scammed. Smart.
Finish. Oh yeah, that's modern. That's at least Firefox 90.
I wonder what they actually um.
If you press Alt, hit Alt, and then you should see a little menu come up. Yeah, yeah, and you see help and about. There you go.
Okay, 144.
Oh, okay. It's the newest version, I think. Yeah. Weird that the installer is like that though. I've never seen that before.
Hmm. And
All
in
right.
case everybody is wondering,
And this is what I was talking about earlier. This is actually what the site looks like. And yeah. Uh, so that just goes to show that modern applications do run on this just fine, because of course it would, because it is based on a modern OS. There's no reason it won't. Just that the Trinity desktop theme is kind of sobbing right now. Like, if you go to the little context menu, the little hamburger menu thingy, you see that window border, right?
yeah.
Trinity is not having a good time with that, apparently.
Although for people that
And
do want a legacy
Oh
experience.
yes, Pale Moon. I've actually never used Pale Moon. I've always used MyPal.
Hmm.
But I don't think MyPal is for Linux.
I wonder if they have that on FlatHub.
It exists. Not gonna lie. I'm out here wondering how many people are actually using Q4OS.
True.
But it looks like it might be alright for older systems a little bit. Um, anyway, I don't know if there's anything else you want to do, but that's pretty much it for me, so.
Alright, well, I guess we should start by looking at the Office suite because we're the channel for Office suites.
Oh, yes. K-word. That looks pretty bad, actually.
Yeah, I, I don't know if I could even put this on a. I don't know if I could rate this on a Microsoft Office 97. Um,
Go to File and Save As. What does it let you save as? Let's see what the options are, at least. Oh, yes.
Oasis
Oh,
open document text.
what the hell is that? Oh, ODT. Didn't realize that's what that stood for. Oh, wait.
Oh
Cool.
yeah, so
Okay, got it.
you could actually write stuff in here and open it in LibreOffice. That's pretty cool.
What else does it let you save as?
You could also
Mm,
save it as a K-word document.
interesting. And you got Microsoft right? What? But you don't have Word. That's
Oh,
so
it's
weird. Oh
right
no,
here.
you have Word. That's so weird. You can save it as Microsoft Write, which Microsoft Write. I don't know if they meant to do WordPad. They're not right, but write.exe. That's from very old versions of Windows. 1.0, 2.0, 3, 3.1. I believe 95 and 98 as well. But after that, they started calling that WordPad. Um, and oh yeah, you have an RTF file. Okay, so you do have pretty decent options actually.
You could also save it as an OpenOffice.org text document. But in that case, why not just save it as a Oasis open document text?
Or ODT basically, yeah. They have a lot of obscure ones here that I've never even heard of. Like,
Yeah.
never really heard of a Palm document. I haven't heard of a Abbey Word document. Abbey Word? ABI Word? Don't know.
Abbey Word.
Never even heard of it. Have you?
For some reason, you can save it as a plain text document. I mean, like, you're gonna lose all your formatting if you do that.
Well, I mean, that's still an option for some reason, even today. But yeah, I don't think anybody's choosing that option. So, but yeah, you are gonna lose the freaking like you're gonna lose everything. Okay.
Okay,
Well, that's about that.
should we try out the Excel of Trinity next?
Let's go for it.
Okay. Let's see. Office. Oh, by the way, there is a. Where is it?
Oh, it looks like there's a dashboard. K-Office Workspace. Let's take a look at that.
Yup.
So that might be interesting. Ooh, okay. Let's take a look at the presentations first, then.
Yeah, let's do the PowerPoint then first. And as you can see, there's um, several distinct templates for you to
Few.
choose from.
We could choose like. Yeah, let's do Blue Breeze double. That seems chill.
This one.
Or single, single,
Okay.
single, single. Yes. Let's see what we get. Looks pretty freaking old and weird. Um,
Yes, it
I
does.
don't. I don't know. How do you add a new slide?
Uh, Good question.
That's wild. How do you add a new slide? Oh, okay.
Insert
So you
slide
can just hit
request.
F2. Okay. Oh, but that just duplicates the slide.
Well, it duplicates the template, I guess.
That's too advanced. I don't know. I don't think that's too advanced, and nobody needs such an advanced thing to make a PowerPoint.
It burns my eyes.
It does. It does. Somebody get the bleach.
If I were coming from like K Office, I mean Microsoft Office 95 or 97, I would be so
Oh,
confused right now.
I'd shoot myself. Yeah. uh, I'm coming from Microsoft Office and like LibreOffice, and I'm still confused.
Also, apparently you can throw a spreadsheet in here or anything else from.
Let's do spreadsheets. Let's take a look at their spreadsheets. Excel sheets, apparently. Okay, blank worksheet. Okay, that's the only normal looking one here.
Wait a minute. You can do your presentations and your worksheets at the same time.
I'm back. That's actually really helpful though, that you can access your presentation and your Excel sheet or whatever your spreadsheet at the same time, because a lot of presentations will have data in them, right? And you could have that data in your spreadsheet, and you could be referencing your spreadsheet and that at the same time. So that's really cool, actually. Uh, let's try opening up a text document while we're here.
Okay.
So, okay, now can we let's see? Oh, wow, that's really cool. So you can go to your text documents, your spreadsheet, and your slideshow all at the same time.
Yep.
That is so nice, actually. Microsoft Office Loki needs to take some notes on that one. That one would be that would be really really cool to have still.
I think I would be confused as to using the presentations and the worksheets at the same time.
Why would you be confused?
Um, you feel like my brain running all over the place with things. It's like like doing a presentation. It's like, oh crap, I have to do a worksheet.
What crap I have to do at work. That's a funny way to put it. Uh, okay, what else do you want to do?
Uh, well, so we looked at
Scalable
the
graphics. Let's take a look at
yeah.
scalable
Let's look.
graphics.
Let's look at the Inkscape of KDE. There's a lot of
I don't
stuff
really know.
here.
I don't know much about graphic design, but this doesn't look very.
It looks like there's a
I
lot of
guess you'd
stuff
want
going
to ask.
on.
I guess we'd want to ask Marcel about this because he's the one who really uses Inkscape and stuff.
Yes, we're gonna have to ask Marcel about that later.
He's the one who really knows his way around that stuff.
Selection mode. Okay, I didn't mean to open that up.
Oh, geez, that really messed around, huh?
hmm
Really lagged out there. I don't have anything else to say, so you want to say something?
Uh,
Uh,
I would recommend looking more into Q4OS if you want to look at the other, like even the flowcharts. I'll open up with flowcharts. I guess
what
you
the heck?
use this to talk about um, data visually.
I don't. You know what? I don't think there's a way to make flowcharts in Microsoft Office, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. Does this thing have a you can make things like GIMP stuff in here. You can use this as an alternative to GIMP.
I don't think it would be a very good one, but yeah, I guess you could.
Yeah. Okay, no, I didn't want to duplicate that. Undo. Again, we aren't going to show every piece of Trinity here, because we don't want to make the video too long. But
Because this video has already gone on like half an hour.
yeah, so guys, if you want to check it out, there will be a link in the description.
Yep,
To
so
the
if
video.
y'all want to check that out, like John said, there's going to be a link in the description. Um, and if y'all want us to check out something new, um, or another OS, leave a comment down in the description. We do check out more than just Linux distros. Like, if y'all want us to check out like an older version of like Windows or something, or Mac OS, we will do our best to check it out. Mac OS might be a bit difficult because I don't have any Mac hardware,
Yeah.
um, and I don't know how to like set up a Mac VM on Windows at all. But uh, we'll do our best to check it out. We're happy to take a look at different things. So yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the next one.
All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Let me see if I can actually get out of this thing first. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. This has been Sean, and that's been Smart. And we'll talk to you guys later.
See you all later.